Hello guys, how to fix event ID 1000 error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of issue, event ID error, if any app crashes and such type of error you receive, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is scan your system. Go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode, and in command prompt Windows run the DISM tool. Execute these three DISM tool in command prompt Windows: scan health, check health, and restore health. Execute one by one all these three commands in command prompt Windows, followed by enter key on each time. After that, run SFC scan now tool to scan for any corrupted file system and press enter, and it will scan your system. Wait for some times. After that, restart your system. The next workaround is go to Windows settings and go to Windows Update and scroll down, go to advanced options and optional updates. If any optional updates available, simply download it. Any driver related issue if you face, then install any available updates, driver updates, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Clean boot your system. Press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run command box, and here type ms config and press OK. And from the top menu bar, click on services, hide all Microsoft services, make the checks against this option and choose disable all. Thereafter, go to startup tab and open task manager and manually disable all the startup apps enabled in your system. Simply right click on it and choose disable. Apply this method for all enabled system for clean boot your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. After that, restart your system. The next method is uninstall and having issues. Simply go to run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key, and here type appwiz.cpl and here locate the app which having issues, and after running event ID error 1000 appear. Simply select it and choose uninstall and reinstall a fresh app. Your event ID error 1000 will definitely be resolved. That's all.